right, today we have another beautiful LED light, and look at this monstrosity of LED light. Plenty of LED lights, lots of LED lights. It does have a sensor, and it does have actual large solar panel. This is going to charge up real quick through the day, and it's going to last you through the night. Now, in order to set this up, they give you a couple wrenches, one wrench if you guys can notice, and instructions how to set it up. Controller is very simple, on and off. You got percentages, you got the sensor on and off here, you got multiple hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, and 8 hours. So we'll put this up tonight and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So we just finished installing it right now. If you guys can see, it's a little high up there. We're gonna turn on the button. It's already on already. So we're just gonna capture some light and let it light up at night here. So we're gonna test it out and see how powerful it is. So check it out, guys. In my backyard, it's light up right now, and if we turn it off, let's go ahead and turn it off. You can see how dark it is back here. I do have one little LED light far away, but let me walk in there in front so you guys can see a little bit closer. This light is super bright here, so we're gonna keep it on for the dogs too, so they can enjoy the background in the night. So I don't have to step on anything or keep it clean back here. Anybody comes in, they can see it. Motion sensors on. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.